option selling strategy is incomplete without proper know-how of adjustments. And option adjustments are generally of two types. One type of adjustment is to lock the profit, and other type of adjustment is to stop the loss. Welcome to another video by the Option School, and this is your friend Pradeep Singla. In my previous video, I have shown you a ratio spread of 1:3 where we purchased one call and sold three calls. Now in that video, at a particular point of time, we have closed the position by booking the profits. Now that is good that okay, we have booked the profits, but there are two problems in that. One is if I book the profit, it can be an early profit and I'm missing an opportunity on making more profit. Second problem is if I do not book the profit at that point in time, there is a chance that okay, there can be a little bit of reversal. I am not able to lock the profit, and on expiry I lose all the not only the profit but also lose some part of my capital also. So it is very important to know how to log profit in such situations. So in today's video, I will be taking the same trade, explaining you the same logic of creating the trade, and then how to log profit. Instead of booking the profit, I will be locking the profit, and then we will run the strategy till expiry and see if it can give us more profit. If it is not giving us more profit, so at least am I able to safeguard my earlier profit. Do join our WhatsApp YouTube community. The link is given in the description. Do click on the like button. All the likes are very precious to us. Thanks in advance. Let's go to Opstra and see the trade. Now this is the trade which was created on 3rd November in the morning 9:30. So what I have done, I have purchased 26,101 call in 173 rupees, and I have sold 3 calls of 26,600 in 57.8 each. My downside risk is hardly anything. Even if market tanks down, I am not going to lose more than 26 rupees, which is this payoff diagram is showing. My upside potential is quite high, and my upside break even point is at 26850. Now let us see, let us run the trade, and at some point in time obviously we will be booking profit. But in today's video, instead of booking profit, what I will do, I will log the profit. So let us move one by one. Okay, next, next, next. Okay, okay, now I'm making 4,000 rupees profit. Okay, 4,700, 3,700, 6,200, 5,300. We wanted more than 6,000 profit. Now here we are making 8,600 profit, and it is already 20th of November. Now one of the options is I book profit, another option is I log profit. In this case, we can very well see that okay, if market tanks down from here, all my profit which I have already earned will vanish. But I can also see that okay, there is a potential that I can make much higher profit also. But before seeing that, let us go to straight to expiry and see what happens if I am not booking profit, if I am not locking profit also. So I'll quickly run through next 4-5 days. 25th is the expiry. So if I do this till expiry, (30 minutes), 3 o'clock, 3:30. Now at 3:30 I am losing 33 rupees, right? So on 20th of November at morning 9:30 we were making 8,600 rupees. But if I do not do anything, I do not book my profit thinking that okay, I will make more profit, I lose that profit also. Now let me go back. 20th, here I am making 8,602. If you see in PNL what is happening, I have 26,100 call, and I have 3 calls of 26,600 which are sold. Now 26,100 is the level of the market. What I can do, since these calls are almost of very low premium, but still market can give me some profit. So what I can do, I can reduce my loss. On the downside, I will book this call 144.6, right? And I'll go to option chain and I will buy something much cheaper. I have booked my profit because I have booked my bought call. I have not booked my profit. I have booked my bought call, and I have shifted that call to, let's say, somewhere around 26,300. Still my sold calls are pretty far away. I can still make more money. But what this action will do, let us see. What this action will do, see, this has in a way increased this profit. This green line has now gone up. Earlier it was showing minus 26 only, now it is showing 6532, and I can still make 28,000, 27,000 kind of a profit. Now I will say that okay, I have not booked the profit, I still want some more profit, but even if I do not get more profit, at least 6,000 rupees I will get. So let us now see what happens. Next day market is giving me 8912. I can book this profit also if I want. 7683. See, now market has tanked down 6390. Let me now go to expiry. See, I have taken that bet that okay, I will not book 8600, but at least if I'm not booking that, I can get an opportunity to book more profit. In this case, I didn't get that opportunity to book more profit, but my initial profit out of 8600, 6500 got locked. So in this way, I can try for better profits, but that doesn't mean that I need to throw away all my profits. So never keep any profit on table. You can always lock it. This is what I want to do. Show you now the second adjustment, which can be that okay, what will happen in case market goes beyond this. That is the second adjustment which we need to learn. So we will definitely take a different month, because in November month it is not happening like that. We will take a different month and we will show how to tackle that kind of a situation wherein market is going above my upper break even point. We are conducting an iron butterfly workshop in which we will be showing how to tackle with iron butterfly, and we will be showing you back testing of all the 12 months continuously, not one by one, not choosing any particular month. It will be like right from January to December. That will give you the idea that how that framework works, how the framework of iron fly and iron fly adjustments work. And that's a great strategy for, especially for working professionals, because not many adjustments are required during the month. So this workshop is happening on 26th of April, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. This time we will try to maintain the timings. Last time in Iron Condor workshop, the timing got extended. So this time we'll take care that okay, it doesn't get, but yes, it may not be finished in 3 hours, but we may require 3.5 to 4 hours. To join that workshop, you can contact on the given numbers on the screen. For our silver members, there will be 10% discount, and all those iron condor participants who want to participate in this iron butterfly also, there will be 25% discount. And kindly please note, you can avail only one discount. It doesn't mean that okay, 25 plus 10 is applicable. Very sorry for that. So either you take that 25% discount if you are iron condor member, or you take 10% discount in case you are a silver member. Yes, in case you are not a silver member right now, you can still become a silver member. It's a very small cost. At that small cost, we give you a lot of tools and techniques and exclusive videos which can be helpful in avoiding a lot of losses and making your trading journey much more smoother. So that is worth the money. And once you join any workshop, you get a decent discount, so your 3 to 4 months of silver membership also becomes absolutely free of cost. I am leaving you with a video on double butterfly. Again, a very good strategy, wide range strategy. I'm sure you will definitely love it. Just go through it, and we will be coming up with second part of double iron fly strategy also. And in third part of this video, we will show how to adjust in case market breaks my upper break even point. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.